There are so many different ways to make pikelets, and this way is my favourite at the moment. There's only 4 ingredients in the batter, and one big distinctive thing that's different is there's no milk whatsoever in it. So first up, bananas, because this is a banana pancake. We're going to add 2 small bananas, or if it's quite large, just 1. I'm just going to break up the banana into a bowl, and using a fork, we're going to mash the banana. Now, the best results come from bananas that are really ripe. So get them as ripe as possible because it means that they're sweeter. So that's mashing really nicely. Okay, 2 eggs. We'll just break the eggs straight into the bowl. 1 and 2. And again, give that a really good mix. And I'll also add some vanilla to this. Now, I like to add vanilla extract. It's fantastic when you're cooking pancakes or pikelets just like this. So I'll add about a teaspoon. And vanilla extract is great when you are baking or frying pikelets because you won't lose that flavour. You'll actually get a nice intense vanilla bean flavour, which is what I want. So a good mix of that in there. Oh, it smells so good with the bananas. And all we need now is some flour. So you'll need 1 cup of self-raising flour. I'll add 1 in there. And that's just 2 half cups. And then still using my fork, I'm just going to very gently incorporate that until we have a lovely batter. All right, you can see it's really come together now and we've got a nice thick batter and that's what we want. So I'll just take that fork out and we can start frying these little pikelets. So I like to use some macadamia oil into a pan and we'll just heat that pan up. You want it on a medium heat. I also like to just use a pastry brush just to evenly distribute that oil around the pan. Okay, let's get frying. So because they're pikelets, they're going to be quite little. So just a dessert spoonful, and then we'll just do nice little dollops of our banana pikelet mixture. I'm going to cook them for about a minute or so on each side until they're golden. Aren't these pikelets impressive? Look how puffed up they've become. They're just perfect. We'll just place them onto a plate and I like to sort of pile some of them up onto each other. And when I make these for my little boy, he always asks for more banana. So I think it's appropriate to add some more little slices of banana to make this into a really yummy breakfast, very filling breakfast. So just slice some extra banana and pop that in and around our little pikelets. And you can't have pikelets without some maple syrup. So I'm going to drizzle a generous amount of maple syrup over the top. You can serve it with some yogurt or some cream if you like, or just as is. Vanilla and banana pancakes, certainly a favourite at my house. Give them a go, they're super simple.